Hello guys, today we are going to unbox a very special watch. I'm talking of course about the Pagani design Submariner Homage. It is of course the homage to the famous Rolex Submariner. So stay tuned. So, comes in a neatly packed box. I have imported this watch from Hong Kong. Okay guys, so I took the time to gnaw through some really tough layers of tape, which is, well, it's not something you can avoid because of the delicate nature of Submariner of mechanical watches. As you can see here, Submariner 40. This is one of the more versatile versions of Submariner. You get it in size 43, 44. That is big on certain wrists. I have bigger wrists, but I have chosen to get the 40 millimeter version. It's just better. I think more versatile and looks better. I have a lot of big watches, so I decided why not get a smaller one. Look at that. 40 millimeters in size is a very versatile size. Look at that. Just get it out of the box. We'll keep the watch aside for 5 minutes. We'll look at what else we get. We get this because I'm thinking it has screwed end cases, links. So to remove the links and to resize the bracelet, we get this little tiny screwdriver. I don't know if it can focus there, but yeah. So side, we get this box. So this is the watch itself. As you can see, it is a homage to the classic Rolex Submariner. Sorry, my dog is acting up. You can see it's 40 millimeters in size, which is very versatile. Alright, so you can see the 40 millimeters version is always more versatile as it can fit even slightly smaller wrists. That is a Cyclops crystal on the date window, which is with a 2x magnification. You get a unidirectional bezel. Look at that, a classic unidirectional Submariner bezel you get there. ऑफ कोर्स हम लोग बैठ के इसके बारे में इत्मीनान से इसका रिव्यू में इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. इट हैज़ अ सैफायर क्रिस्टल. इट हैज़ ए what do you call one second, let's get it out of the box, the holder. Look at that, a very beautiful homage to the Rolex Submariner. Look at that. It has the Seiko NH35A movement inside, which is a Japanese made Seiko made movement. It has a sapphire crystal which is extremely strong, scratch resistant glass. It has a ceramic bezel. This bezel is a ceramic material bezel. Look at that. You get the Pagani design branding here. Look at that. Alright, तो इसके बारे में हम लोग बैठ के इत्मीनान से बात करेंगे. We will have a full review of this watch. 2-4 दिन इसको यूज़ करता हूँ, फिर we will have a nice discussion about it, about how the watch is and everything. So thank you guys for stopping by and stay tuned for the review. Thank you.